All right guys, I'm out here at Lake Mead. This boat right here gets a lot of questions by you guys on what type of boat it is, so I'm gonna do a full review on this boat. So this is a 2072 Tracker. It's about 9 feet wide, 22 feet long. I bought it in 2017 and I'm gonna show you what we've done, how it is on the water, and everything about it. All right, so starting off, this boat is massive. This boat right here is almost 9 feet across, so you're not going to fit it into a 1 or 2 car garage. I have a 3 car garage. I have to park it sideways.
Do you want me to lay it across the show?
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm probably 5'10", 5'11". Yeah.
Yeah. Other than that, it's a center console. We have the 90 horse on it, which pushes it pretty good.
You'll go a little faster with the bigger motor, but this boat doesn't take waves real well, so you got to be careful.
So up here, what I like about it is there's 3 ports for the seats. 1, 2, 3, you can put your seat anywhere you want. We have the Ulterra trolling motor, 112, controlled by remote. It pushes this thing probably 4 to 5 miles an hour, depending on how many people you have. Right here, we have the sea light mount, and we have Panoptics.
Yeah, that's the Panoptics live scope. What you're seeing right there is the transducer, and it shoots a forward scan that shows you everything live on our screen. So we'll show you a little bit of that too. It's pretty neat, but we're about to be up here in a few minutes.
But as far as the boat goes, this thing is a tank. I've had it for 5 years. I've wrecked into many docks. I've hit bottom. It floats in about 6 inches of water. So a lot of these boats are gonna have trouble. You know, it's super hard to launch right now because it's very low, but we will have no issues. Overall, it's pretty good. As far as trailer goes, you can buy it with the trailer that has just the 1 axle, which means 2 tires. It'll pull it great, but if you get the upgrade for like $1,200, $1,400, whatever it is, you get the dual axle. Dual axle has brakes. I ended up doing that because safety is everything. That's an option you can upgrade to. All right, so big boat, very heavy duty. I actually call this thing War Machine. Back here, it has these steps. Good for hunting also. If you fall in the water or you have a hunting dog, it's an easy step to get back on the boat, which I really like. This adds the extra couple feet. That's why I say it's 22 feet long instead of the 2072. Right here we have a seat which mounts. There's an extra mount over there for a seat, which I have also at the house, but it's only us 2 fishing today, so I didn't bring it. Has storage, 2 storage compartments, and it also has a massive live well that is about 4 feet long. All right, so we'll show you how we launch, and then we'll show you out on the water.
So we're launching right now. This is Hemingway Harbor. I think that's what it's called, this boat launch right here. Been shallow, everybody's having a hard time launching, but for us it's actually really easy. And that's all it took, real easy. You made it.
Thanks. Anybody need lessons? I'm here for you. Water safety instructor too, so if you need to swim.
All right guys, so I'm on the boat. I told you guys I was gonna show you the live well. Look at this beast here. Bam. Right there. Double live well. Very nice. Has everything set up. If you're fishing tournaments, it has a divider, so fisherman 1, fisherman 2, you know what I mean. All right, so we'll close that. I'll show you the secondary live well, which is right here. Secondary live well goes under the center console right there. It's probably for bait or whatever you want to use it for, secondary. But once we get out there, I'll spark up the Panoptics and show you how we use it, and let's try to get some fish. What do you think? Get some fish?
We should be able to get a few, yeah.
Try to throw big baits. We've been messing with these Tony Santoro baits. This is my buddy. Excellent paint job. He does a variety of baits. We're gonna test them. So maximum speed on this boat with the 90 horse is what?
You could probably get 35.
35. All right, with 2 people, 35. Once you start adding people, you add 1 person, it goes down to about 32. every person you add above to it, it drops about 4 miles per hour. So let's get it. Alright, so showing the boat, there's another storage towards the rear. That's where I have 3 batteries to power my Altera. Right here, VersaTrack system. You can put your rod holders there, left, right, anywhere you want them, all along this VersaTrack system. And then I said I was going to show you the Garmin. This is Panoptics. It shows you where the fish are live. If you drop your bait down there, it'll show you where your bait is. Pretty amazing system. I made this hole here so that my wires could run down. Usually that's a square and it's completely sealed. I'm gonna go ahead and put a block there, piece of metal with a little hole so that I can run my wires. Right there you got your power to your trolling motor or whatever you're gonna use it for. Pretty nice setup. Big boat, plenty of room, got the rod holders. Like I said, heavy duty. Don't worry, you don't have to worry about the deck getting dirty or messed up. And that's pretty much it. Grizzly 2072 by Tracker. Amazing boat. I've had it 5 years. I haven't had any problems. I love it. Catch a lot of fish.
He got off.
He came off, but you catch a lot of fish on this boat. If you buy this boat, you will not be disappointed. If I have to say there's one bad thing about this boat, it's hitting waves at 30 miles an hour. If you hit waves going really fast, it's kind of rough because it is a flat bottom, but that's expected. If you buy a flat bottom, you already know that's going to happen. Other than that, I appreciate you watching this video. We're going to catch a lot of fish right here. Grizzly 2072. 100% love this boat. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you outdoors.
Yeah, so we got a bunch of shad balls out here. All that is shad right here by this live scope down 2 feet deep. It's right here. So look at all these shad right here on this live scope.
In front?
Yeah, just right here, literally 1 foot. Yeah, perfect. We're gonna look at this cast net. I'll tell you if you caught any. Oh, they're dodging it, they're dodging it. They're dodging it. You got a few. Pull, 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 pull. You probably got a few. And look at all those stripers, man. There's stripers all around these. Yep.
Oh my god.
Look at that. Look at that.
Look at this.
That's what the live scope will do for you right there. Man, there's stripers everywhere right here. Look at all them.
Where?
They're just right here. Right here, but don't throw right there. That's not where the shad is at. The shad is to our right now. All the stripers pushed them. There's a massive school of striper. Way right though. Way right. You're not on top of it. Yeah, you gotta hook it right now. We're getting shallow. Just drive till I tell you they're right below us, and then that's when.
I felt something big.
Did you? Because we're graphing big fish. Look at this. I'm graphing big fish everywhere out here.
Big.
Is it?
I felt
Oh
my
goodness!
Wow.
Those must be tilapia out there that we're graphing. Not a. That's a monster too. Let me back up. So those are all tilapia we're graphing down there, huh?